This is a great little design. And there's a lens cover mode. There's a warm little 8K machine. Mr. Insta360. They made some good updates. So here we are. I already put the lens covers on because those are actually super cool. So here's the old camera, the X3. Side by side. Ooh. This one's a little bit thinner and a little bit shorter, just a little bit shorter. The lens size, same circle. That one just has a big lens on it. I haven't even turned this one on yet. The back on this one is actually pretty cool. You have some grip on it, which is kind of cool. The old one doesn't have that. What's really cool about this one is it has this lens protector thing that screws on, and I'm really good at scratching. It's the same normal size lens. The lens is the same everything. It's just now higher resolution. It has these little, it's like a gear mechanism to lock this thing on. I don't know how to really put this on without touching the screen. It needs to be like a tool for it. All right, well, let's turn this thing on. Oh, also, quick, the battery is different. This one, they do not fit. This one does not fit in the other one's battery. Please don't fall. Yeah, the battery is smaller. 1800 and 2290. But yeah, you can't put the old battery in the new one. It does not fit. Sketchy lens cover. SD card goes in the same spot. Battery and the doodad. Nice. Here's the 1-inch as well. The 1-inch is still bigger than this one, but the 1-inch only shoots at 6K and this guy shoots at 8K. The stabilization on this is actually amazing. I don't know if this one does the same kind of stabilization, but this camera has been absolutely great, so I wanted to get the new one. It's a little bit smaller. We'll see how well it does in low light. This one's going to be better in low light just because of the bigger lens on it, but past that, we shall see. Low light versus resolution is kind of what you're paying for here. And then this one came with a little case. Little Insta360 case. Oh, it has pockets for the lens covers. That's cool. And I already charged it. Instead of write English. Oh, download the app. We got these stickers too. These are cool. Here's the Go. Go kind of sucks. They did an update yesterday. So what's weird, they sent it to all the YouTubers, and the day before it came out, or the day it came out, all the major YouTubers had videos out on it, like they had it last week or something like that. So here's a video from a non-sponsored review. And I already used the Insta360 cameras, the X3, the 1-inch, because the X3 didn't get good enough resolution for cutting it into shorts. And then this guy, because I thought it'd be fun to I don't know how to turn that off. Maybe hold that. No, now it's on again. Okay. And this dude, because I thought it'd be cool to have a smaller one, but it's not 360, it's just one direction, like a little baby camera you can take with you. USB-C. I think this top thing is the microphone. Over here, more microphones, I guess. I don't really know. Same setup and everything. It's just like a X3 XL. They made the camera just a little bit bigger in all dimensions. So they have the lens covers, and there's a lens cover mode for when you're recording, but maybe the lens covers are just for putting on when you store it to keep it safe. Maybe you could use it for both. Instead of using this plastic cover, which rubs the lens as you put it on, I think this might be a little bit better. Confirm. Okay, so lens guard mode. After installing and removing lens guards, be sure to turn on off the correct lens guard mode. Okay. Rotate clockwise to put them on until they're aligned with the microphone. Oh, okay. All right, we'll just have it auto lens guard mode. I like that the screen's a little bit bigger. I don't know what any of these do. I'm not a film nerd. Shooting parameters, that's what I know how to do. Ha ha ha, 8K. That's all I wanted. High res, make it heat up faster. Well, yeah, no shit. In low light, shoot at 5.7. Okay. The lowest it goes is 4K. That is amazing. 100 frames a second at 4K. That's cool. All right, we're here for 8K though. We didn't come here for anything else. Just a preview angle. Thank you. Whoa, the clarity on this is really good. It responds a lot faster than the other one too. Because on the last one, you drag and you have to like, But this one, the response is really quick. And I'm seeing a little bit of lag, but like not really. Like from the screen to me, it's like pretty fast. It's kind of crazy. Quick button? You can set something on the quick button? Preview is compressed, stitching is in effect. Okay, so now it's more compressed and the resolution isn't as nice on what I'm viewing, but the response time is still so there. This is really cool. Not that I'm ever really looking at this, but it's cool that I can. When people go, what's that camera? What's that camera do? Okay, cool. Well, I'm gonna go shoot a video and we'll do some side-by-side footage with the two of them and see how it goes. Oh, it does get warm. It's already pretty warm. There's a warm little 8K machine. I mean, this one gets warm too, but like when you're riding on a bike or moving, they're air cooled. 8K eats up footage. 8K is something. Oi. Oh, you got this lens, they called it like a jam shield, a smash shield. It's not a smash shield. Basically what I think it does is you put it here, and then you got your screen protected. And it's still like, I think those slits are so it can stay cool a little bit and not just completely overheat. But this is way, like, come on. Now we don't have a screen you can just smash. This is a great little design. Okay, so I mounted both of them on the bike and I'm gonna have to hold the 1" because this guy's stuck in there, and also I don't have another mount because it broke. It'll give us the same footage. I like to use them for action cams just because if you mount a GoPro up here or you mount it on your head, it always has to be where you're looking. Flip the camera around. Hey, and you can just edit it afterwards. And so this camera, I'm using the Osmo right now to record this because it's really nice. It just follows what you're looking at, but it is only one direction. So when recording with both of these, you'll be able to get 360, and I'll kind of show how that works. The stabilization is really what we're looking for, and we'll be able to see if me holding this guy in my hand is better than either of these, how the footage pulls out. I'll lay them all side by side. All right, we are now recording in not 1080, but like 360, 360, 360, 1080. I'm gonna hold this one in my hand and we'll see how this footage turns out and try not to crash. Let's go. get too hot at all while I was riding around. It felt the same as the other ones. The one weird thing though is when actually comparing all the footage, the 1" and the X3 bump footage at the same size. So I don't know, I mean, it does get more light, but this one's supposed to be 6K, so maybe it's just more vertical. The stabilization, this one says flow state. Seems about the same, even though I was holding this one in my hand, I couldn't really tell on the footage. You guys can tell me what you think. The little lens protectors go right in there, which is super cool. And like, follow, subscribe. Let's, I don't know, cameras.